Good morning. Hoser is here. Got myself a no heat. It's like a freaking miracle, man. I haven't had a no heat in a while. So let's get you guys some footage. I hope all you guys out there and gals are having a great old HVAC day. This is apparently not one of our customers. Not sure what type of equipment they have, but I just noticed they have an XC14 Lennox air conditioner, so perhaps it's some newer stuff. Hopefully it's some older stuff, and we get some action. I mean, I'm tired of replacing stupid little things like thermostats. You know, I've had some pressure switches and nothing to really film. I mean, I'm sorry I haven't brought out a video, but literally I'm running maintenance after maintenance. So I was thinking today, like, I guess I'll just do a video on maintenances, or a whole day, a day in the tech life, as we should call it. But maybe I got something to edit. So just getting to the address here, and we'll see if we can get some footage. Okay, so what we're having is alternating flashes, lost flame sense 4 times during heating cycle. Okay, when was the last time we were here for a maintenance, do you know? So we've got ignition, that's good. Showing me low flame signal. Okay, so what right now the board gives me an error, okay? You see how it's doing that funky, this one's slow flash, this one's fast flash? Okay, it's telling me that we have a low flame signal. So I'm gonna measure that now. So I'll show you here. Oh, see it shut off. So I'll show you. It's going to relight again. But we want this number to at least be above 1.0. I just saw yours at 0.5. We'll see. So it's just relighting again. There we are. You see that number, 0.4, 0.5? So that's what it is. It's a, we got a dirty flame sensor. Alright guys, so as you can see, we do have a low flame sense signal. So let's get that cleaned up. Hopefully everyone out there is doing good. I was wondering when I'd be able to get you guys some footage. I don't know if you guys can see that in there, but look at all that crust. tighten these up. Oh wow, very loose. These things are practically not even on. I'll tighten those up for them. So check this drain port, that's good. Make sure that's okay as well. Yeah, that's clear. At the same time, we will check the run cap. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but we also have a weak run capacitor. So let's go show that to the customer. Get that swapped out. So 5 microfarads. You see here it says 5 microfarads.
Yeah.
Okay, these don't really last more than 10 years or so on these newer ones, but it says 5 microfarads, and you're allowed plus or minus 5% of that rating.
Okay.
We usually go 10%,
Oh.
which would mean it shouldn't be lower than 4.5. Oops. Yours is at 3.6. You should replace that. The reason being is this affects your motor. Alright, so what do we got crack-a-lackin'? Let's get this guy a 5. We have a 5. Always double check. You never know which ones come out of the box bad, so boom, boom. Zero! It would help if I had these connected. There we go, 5.1, she's good. So let's go in, put this on there. Give this guy some heat. Same time, I'll bring in this beast. Jesus. This thing's stripped. So we're gonna have to go with this bit here because my service bit won't work. Let's see if we can get this one. Damn it. That doesn't want to go either. Oh my God! Alright, a little tip. If these ever strip and you finally get them out, don't put the same one back in there. I'm going to switch this with the supply side. Oh. I don't have a spare one. Otherwise I would put that in there. So what I'm going to do is swap these. Actually, you know what? I'm going to keep this one out because I'm going to take my gas pressure anyways. This one will go on the supply side. And it doesn't have to be fully wrenched in there. I mean, just give it a little bit of... Alright guys, so I just cleaned the flame sensor. I'm tapped in. I'm going to check my gas pressure. Just made a couple changes. I still got to clean it. So we're just going to see what the flame signal is now. That's good. Some intermittent contact on there. I was complaining about low humidity. Guys, so I have a back humidistat as well. I mean, the humidity I'm taking with my testo is only 36. This, I believe, has a manual. If we crank this, it should come on and stay on. Okay, but it's acting very intermittently. Right now I can hear it's on, but it's not passing voltage. I mean, I tried to clean it already, but looks like it's just bad contact in there. So I'm gonna give it a vacuum, see if I can get it to work a little bit better. If not, I'll put that on the recommendations for change out as well. All right, guys. So leaving that one. I mean, this guy hasn't had his furnace looked at in a while. So started off with low flame sense at the board, dirty flame sensor, which was an easy fix. And then he also had a low run cap, so swapped that out. I was complaining it was dry, so had to check the humidifier. So we're gonna go back. I'm gonna bring him a humidistat and get that fixed. Also found what's a leaking inducer venter motor, possibly. So we're keeping an eye on that. I quoted him a new one if he wanted to go ahead with it. He declined the inducer at this time, just because we're gonna wait and see if it is in fact leaking. One thing I did notice is that flue collar rubber grommet, or whatever you want to call it, was super loose. So I mean, it could have been leaking from there as well. Other than that, I mean, we put him on a service plan. I did the maintenance on the spot, adjusted his gas pressure, did a combustion test. Everything was fine. Just needed some maintenance on there. I even pulled off the venter motor to just make sure I didn't see anything out of the norm. Just that crust on the seam. So usually when I see that, I recommend it being replaced. Not sure if he has warranty or not, so I'm going to look into that for him. Also recommended a 5-inch media cabinet, which will help him out. A guy was complaining actually of allergies and all sorts of things. So when I go back with the humidistat, I'm going to give him a quote on a Lennox Pure Air media cabinet. Comes with the bulbs and the MERV 16 filter. So just an easy call. I mean, it's been relatively slow, so it was nice to get a call like that, get a customer on the plan, and get some work done for him. Gave him a lesson on his, basically his HRV as well, and we might be going back to flush his tankless and do a tankless flush on there for him. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see some more videos when they come out. Hit the bell icon, baby, and you get to see when I release a new video. Hit the like button or the dislike button, but most of all, my friends and family, leave me a comment. You know, I like comments. I like talking to you guys. All right, butter me up, buttercup. Talk to you soon. Later.